If you're convicted of a felony in California, the judge has two options in terms of what to do with you. One is he can send you to state prison for up to the maximum term. The other is he can put you on felony probation, or what we sometimes call formal probation. If you get on felony probation, the judge can still sentence you to up to a year in county jail. But a lot of times, if you're placed on probation, the judge may give you little or no actual jail time. But that said, felony probation is no picnic. There's a lot of consequences to it. Generally, felony probation will last 3 to 5 years, and sometimes we can go in and get an early termination of probation. You'll be assigned to a probation officer. You have to report to that probation officer on a regular basis. If you move, if you change jobs, if anything significant happens in your life. That probation officer usually has the authority to come and search your home or your vehicle or your person without a warrant. So you have to be very careful about having anything in your possession that you wouldn't want the probation officer to find. Moreover, you have to pay the probation department. And this is something that a lot of people don't realize, that the counties actually have a big budget where they have to spend money to fund the probation department, and they're now passing that cost on to you. So if you're on felony probation, usually you're going to be charged between about $20 to $100 a month for the term of probation. And it's sort of like a double blow. It's almost like saying, I'm going to punch you in the face, and you're going to have to pay me $100 to do it. It sort of adds injury to insult, but that's the way that the system works. If you're on felony probation, you have to reside in the county of your probation. So let's say you're convicted in Los Angeles County and put on formal probation for 5 years. That means you have to reside here. You cannot move to San Bernardino or the Bay Area or Nevada without getting special permission, and there's a lot of red tape and bureaucracy in getting that permission. If you're on felony probation, if you violate that probation, then the judge can and often will send you to state prison for up to the maximum term. You could violate probation by not reporting to your probation officer, by testing dirty, by picking up a new case, or by failing to comply with any of the terms of the judge's probation, such as paying your fine or doing your community service. So in considering all of this, it's certainly, in most cases, a better option to go on probation than to go to state prison, but bear in mind that there are a lot of consequences and implications to felony probation in California that are difficult and onerous.